Here comes the train. Can you hear it? There it is. Here's the train. The 2 coaches. Nice to see the train. Liking it. I've been waiting for it for so long to see that train. That's actually really good. To be fair, that's a really good train. And plus it's a narrow track as well, I think. That's really good. That's so good train. I'm not gonna lie there, that is actually really good. That's a really good train. Different, but it's good. If you want to see more train like that one, please subscribe and like. And if you want to leave the comment down below, you can. If you want to see more trains like that one, that's really, really good. That's a really, really good train. I'm loving it. I like it. Now to see the big old train itself. I'll see you guys next time if you want to see another video of it. See ya. Bye.